Sailors, and welcome back to day 5 of my weekly batch of videos. So if you haven't checked out all the others, make sure you do. I will link them down below. So today we're gonna go to work for the first time, what seems a while, even though it's only a few days. It's strange because it's actually like I've had a weekend. You don't get weekends on ships, so I literally feel like I haven't been to work in a very, very, very long time. But anyway, yeah, we're going to go to work and basically make the shops look pretty again because, well, I think it was day 2 when the shop's really, really busy and we haven't actually been into work. Well, we've been into work once since, but we didn't stay for long because we're in Portsmouth. So now we need to go in and actually finish the job that we started. But our manager very kindly gave us this time off because we had shore leave and we were in Portsmouth and Le Havre and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go and get some coffee and then we're going to go to work.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
Hey guys, so I've been a bit crap. I've basically skipped over today because I was just at work in the sunglasses shop tidying up everything that you saw. So I did film some of it, but it's pretty boring. So we had an hour for lunch, then we went back and continued just cleaning, organising, dusting, all of that good stuff. We have set sail now, which means that we can open the shops. And you might be thinking like, well, why would you open the shops? You haven't got any passengers or sailors on board. Well, we do have crew still on board. We still have 1,000 crew members on board who also like to buy things from the shops and have crew discount. So we're going to open the shops this evening for those crew members who want to buy stuff. And also there are like film crew on board, so if they want to buy stuff they can as well. Come back, had a shower, put some makeup on, got ready. Well, actually I'm not in my uniform yet, but it is now 5:45, so I'm going to go and have some dinner because I start work at 6:45 and we will finish about 11 p.m. So yeah, today has been a full day of work. Full day of like tidying and cleaning, and then we're going to open the shops tonight and actually serve people, which is cool. Let's go for dinner. So today we have broccoli and cheese. That is my choice. Woo! It is either going to be extremely busy because there's a lot of crew members who don't realise that they are allowed to come to the shops when we actually have sailors on board. Because on other cruise lines, if you don't have guest privileges, you're not allowed to go to the shops when like it's normal passenger time. So there's a lot of people who work on here who've come from other cruise lines who think that they're not allowed to go to the shops. So for that reason, it might be really, really busy tonight, or it's going to be really quiet. Hopefully busy, but we'll see. I'm going to put this on because it is cold. Yeah. I think I do a really good accent actually.
Clocking to get them dollars.
Clocking to get them dollars. Rarity, rarity.
Come for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but it always. Oh, might be when I'm with you. I kinda miss you. It'd be best if you could come over now. I know you got plans. Right.
We want glasses, you want?
These ones, because they look like Horatio Cane's glasses.
Okay, put them on.
Do you know who Horatio Cane is?
From
No.
CSI Miami.
Yeah.
Oh,
He always stands there at the murder scene and he's like,
I've never watched
takes
it.
off the glasses and then says something epic and then the show starts.
so say something epic.
We're going. I get paid in cookies.
We get paid in crumbs from the cookie.
Cookie crumbs.
So when I pick my cookies up,
I take my crumbs.
we'll have the chocolate chips that are
Oh.
left.
Man.
Or not even chocolate chips, the fucking raisins.
Oh, I hate it when I get those cookies and I think it's chocolate chip and I bite into it and it's a freaking raisin. I'm like, you tricked me.
You know, that was a really great story.
It is.
And I do love raisins, so I don't get it.
Okay, fine. I'll find
I
someone.
don't get it.
Do not get
Don't get what you're
Who loves
talking
raisins?
about.
it. Me.
I do like raisins, actually.
People who
You know the best thing in the world? Chocolate raisins.
Oh, I love yogurt Coke. Is very
Oh shit, don't. That is...
Hi, how are
You guys
you?
are so British.
Time to go home! Yeah!
Bye.
Bye, Robbie. Have a good
See you
night.
later. Let's film Ravi going up the stairs. Can you please take this phone back?
So, I have just got back from work. It was so quiet. We were open for like 4 hours and I think 4 people came in. No, really, really quiet. But that's fine. We were open, so the crew could have come if they wanted to. But obviously, because we've had shore leave, a lot of them have been able to like get off the ship and get their essentials. So there wasn't like a desperate need for the shops. But yeah, finished my shift. It is now 11:30. So I've just been to get some hot water from the mess. I'm gonna have my little tea. It's this like sleep tea. And yeah, I'm going to put a film on and I am going to go to bed because obviously I had crew bar and then last night I was out as well. So I just need an early-ish night to just relax because I'm at work again tomorrow morning. So I'm sorry that today has probably been a little bit boring, but yeah, it's, you know, that's the thing on cruise ships, like some days are really cool and really interesting, like my day in the Havre, and then some days are just like I'm at work all day, so some days are really exciting, some days are really dull. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know in the comments and give it a like because it helps me with the algorithm. If you haven't checked out the other videos that I've been posting every day this week, then make sure you do. They're all going to be linked down below. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, whatever you decide to do, and I will see you tomorrow.